Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Dealy, and today's video will be everything you need in your school back to school emergency kit. You know, it's for my ladies, right? For my ladies. So before we get right into the video, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell to be notified every time a girl upload a video. I know I haven't been uploading in a while. That's due to getting things ready for back to school. I want to do a back to school supply haul, but I haven't got everything as yet. So I was wondering if I should do a little mini haul with the stuff I have and the stuff that I don't have. Just insert the pictures so you guys can see what I'm getting. So if it's that case, then I'll do that video, but if it's not, I just have to wait until everything is good. So let's get right into the So I have two kits. I have this one and this one. Which one should I start with first? I'm gonna start with this one. So it's a little makeup bag that I got makeup stuff in. I don't wear makeup, so I don't know what I'm doing with makeup stuff, but I have it in case I need to do a little something, you know. So the first thing that's in this bag, it's a little bottle of perfume that marks Paris at the front. I wonder if you guys can focus. So I think you guys are not seeing it. So it's Paris. You know, when you pop in a school, yeah, you need to be smelling good. Because you see here in Jamaica, if you think them, I'll tell us you're green. Not as in green as the colors, in green as the smell bad. So make sure you have things to cover that mustiness here. So after that, I have a body butter cream. So I use this body butter cream as a lotion. It also can be used as a whip body butter. Yeah, you can use it on your body, but I use it as a lotion because my skin is kind of funny, so I use it as a lotion. So next thing I have is some cetamol menstrual cramps pill. This is for relief of cramps, back pain, headache, bloating, fatigue, breast tenderness. It don't help me, but I'm still having. At least you take off like a thing off, right, but not the belly pain. So instead, I have this. This is what I use. So instead of taking the whole bottle to school, you just take out, like, say for instance, because it's a 12-hour part, I'll take out 4 to take with me. I take out more than 4 in case somebody else cycle comes with mine and them don't have a pain and don't have any items. Yeah, but I can't carry what back. Then we ask out all if they doing a pain. Just typical Jamaicans. Then I have a lip smackers watermelon flavor. Yeah, I have the vanilla flavor to it. I prefer the watermelon. And I have a medicated lip treatment for cold sore, fever, blistered, and chapped lips. It's kind of minty, so I hardly use it. I use this one, but it's medicated. The last 2 things I have in this pouch are my eczema creams. So you have the Beta Cort ointment and you have the Dermavate. My eczema is very bad, so I have to walk with these when I feel a little itch. I don't want to itch. I have them to rub. So basically that's what's in this bag. So yeah, so that's what's in this one. So this one now, everybody know that Miss Rona is going around, so you have to have the hand sanitizer. Yeah, so this is the lemon flavor. I have the watermelon and the cherry flavor in my work bag, what I usually took to work. So now I'm focusing on school. I finish work, so That was what was in my work, my little part-time work bag. So the first thing that came up in my hand is the mouthwash. So I have mouthwash in this one, big fabulous. Yeah, I'm mouthwash in this one, and I need to get a mini toothpaste and an extra toothbrush to go in it in case I have to stay somewhere else. I can't go home because it's nursing school, so you know those cases. Then I have I don't know why am I doing it so many things on my lips, but I have a lip gloss. I have a lip gloss and a lip balm. So yeah, both lip gloss and lip balm. I got these as a gift. And yeah, so I have it inside here. Then you know we have to have our trusty Andy Dandy mask because of Miss Corona. And now with the Delta variant that's going around, that's the next thing. So we have to be very careful for that. So we have our mask. Please don't wear a mask under here. Wear a mask here for me, please. Please, I'm begging you, wear a mask there. So next I have a deodorant. You know you're at school and you're musty, you don't want people to be smelling you, especially here in Jamaica. You don't want people to be smelling you because they can shame you if they smell you, and you don't want that. So make sure you have your arm deodorant. So this is the Wild Cherry Blossom scent, and it's so nice. Next, the last two things I have is, you know, we need our pads. We as girls need our pads because this sister thing always pop up on we when she feel like you're with at school and just decides if we got a bathroom, boom, there she is. She just say, see me here, me come. She no like give no warning, she just come. So which I hate. And next, some period drawers, period panty. Don't use a nice lace panty. Say they go use it as period panty. No, so now go work out. You need to use some drawers, some nice cotton panties for your period. You know, lace that be nasty easily, especially if you have heavy flow. So basically that's what's in here. And I also have a wipes for my hand, is the hand sanitizer alcohol wipes. I also have a non-fragrance for down that area when it's period time, but it's finished, so I have to get more. So basically guys, that's what's in, that's basically some of the things that you need in your emergency kit as females, because these are very important. You also can have gums in it for your breath, and you can also have ear ties and ear gel for your hair. Mine gel doesn't keep in my hair, so I don't really need it, but I need hair ties because my ear is loose out and it's off catch up the walk. So basically that's everything. I hope you guys like this video again, comment and subscribe, and help your girl to reach 1K. Bye.